baby. You tore up me land. You mess up me plan. You tore up me land. Hurricane D, it's not a toy. Hurricane D, it's a rude boy. Hurricane D, it's not a toy. Hurricane D, it's a rude boy. You mess up me plan. You tore up me land. You mess up me plan. You tore up me land. You mess up me plan, baby. You tore up me land. You mess up me plan. You tore up me land. Hurricane D, it's not a toy. Hurricane D, it's a rude boy. Hurricane D, it's not a toy. Hurricane D, it's a rude boy. Hurricane D, it's not a toy. Hurricane D, it's a rude boy. Hurricane D, it's not a toy. Hurricane D, it's a rude boy. Hurricane D, it's not a toy. Hurricane D, it's a rude boy. Hurricane D, it's not a toy. Hurricane D.
Nawara yayo wangu wasiku ande osu garino sikira walile lila Pero so nawara yale luagu tukute menugu juro au nafaka kubeigale Miragu pero so nawara yale luagu tukute menugu juro au nafaka kubeigale Wago jana ngondura kinye lana imena gambu wago jana ngondura kinye Wago lumere mabura nuguchurun don wabandu wago abubira kunyo Wago lumere mabura nuguchurun don wabandu wago abubira kunyo Mira kuberso nawara yale luagu tukute menugu juro au nafaka kubeigale Mira kuberso nawara yale luagu tukute menugu juro au nafaka kubeigale Ai visu tirago nyo tonya andita Sendo gada ge anyare yara lomba menigan na dagime numa ungulu samo okuta hama mugo wakujiro Vitu tirago yo tonya dita Sendo gada ge anyare yara lomba menigan na dagime numa ungulu samo okuta hama mugo wakujiro Seremi Aturi manu wabu Don't you them And Mira kuberu so Nawara yale Luagu tukute menugu churo Au nafaka kubeigale Mira kuberu so Nawara yale Luagu tukute menugu churo Au nafaka kubeigale Handa nuguchurun mayauaba luagu tumurule Mamara tuya tibo labu wago Nari nago sukuli ilate na kuperuso na waranyale ragu tukuze menugu juro auna fata kufe igale ni ragu peruso na waranyale ragu tukuze menugu juro auna fata kufe igale. Yara lomba meniga na takime luma ukulu sabo okuta hama mugo wakujiro ibitu ira gunyu tonya dita sengu hata ge anyare yara lomba meniga na takime luma ukulu sabo okuta hama mugo wakujiro ibitu ira gunyu tonya dita sengu hata ge anyare yara lomba meniga na takime luma ukulu sabo okuta hama mugo wakujiro ibitu ira gunyu tonya dita sengu hata ge anyare yara lomba meniga na takime luma ukulu sabo okuta hama mugo wakujiro na takime luma ukulu sabo okuta hama mugo wakujiro na takime luma ukulu sabo okuta hama mugo wakujiro na takime luma ukulu sabo okuta hama mugo wakujiro na takime luma ukulu sabo okuta hama mugo wakujiro.
Greetings, my Garifuna people. My name is Jess Flores alongside Q at the Melody Studios. Just hear me out. 19th of November, a Garifuna day in Belize, Central America. A day we must remember. Let's pray, let's feast and dance together. But remember, only unity can keep us together. Eleho Beni, Chataway, TV Ramos were so valiant on the mission. Why so much division? Some of us are exhausted with confusion, misrepresentation of the roots and culture, and have no future in the Garifuna culture. Why so much division? Eleho Beni, Chataway, TV Ramos had a vision. One people, one church, one God, and a big celebration. One people, one church, one God, and a big celebration. One people, one church, one God, and a big celebration. Garifuna, whether you're from Belize, Honduras, Guatemala, and Nicaragua, unity within our world will bring stability to our community. Let's join hands and pay respect to these heroes for a job well done. The Garifuna people are no mystery. They have a great history. One people, one church, one God, and a big celebration. One people, one church, one God, and a big celebration.